Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use head and shoulder tool on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and at the left side of the chart you can see lots of tools over here. So what you can do is you simply need to hover on this chart tool, and you'll be able to see the pattern tools. You simply need to click on that, and now at the third option you'll be able to see the head and shoulders. You simply need to click over there and you'll be able to use it successfully. So basically this is how you can use head and shoulder tool on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.